Class, today I'm going to start a new chapter, Component of Food. What do different food items contain? We know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredient, which we get from plants or animals. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. Ingredients are the components or substances which are used to make food or cooking food. The components which are needed by our body to keep us healthy for growth energy, to keep us alive. These components are called nutrients. The major nutrients in our food are named as carbohydrate and fats, protein, vitamins and minerals, dietary fibers, and water also. The main nutrients are carbohydrate and fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, food contain dietary fiber and water, which are also needed by our body. Do all foods contain all these nutrients? No. Every food has different nutrient. First, we will study about the carbohydrate and fats. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrate mainly provide energy in our body. Fats also give us energy. Fats give much more energy as compared to same amount of carbohydrate. The food containing the food containing the food containing carbohydrate are wheat, potato, sugarcane, papaya, melon, mango, rice, bajra, and maize. Then proteins. Proteins are known as bodybuilding foods. Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. Foods. The foods containing protein, they are from plant source, from the animal source. Groundnut, nuts, tel, plant sources. Meat, butter, milk, cream, ghee, fish, they are animal sources. Then vitamins and minerals. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, and gums healthy. They are known as protective foods. Why? Because they protect us from infection and diseases. Then I want to tell you the sources of protein also. The sources of protein means that they are also from plant sources and animal sources. Grain, moong, beans, soya bean, peas. They are plant sources. Animal sources, meat, fish, milk, paneer, eggs are animal sources. Now, when we talk about vitamins, Vitamins are of different kinds known by different names. Some of these are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. There is also a group of vitamin called vitamin B complex. Our body needs all types of vitamins in small quantity, right? Small quantity. So I repeat, vitamins are of different different kinds given by different names. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. And the group of vitamin is known as vitamin B complex. And all these type of vitamins are used are used for different purposes. Vitamin A. Vitamin A. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eye healthy. Vitamin C. Vitamin C helps our body to fight against many diseases. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Foods that rich in different vitamins are shown in this diagram. Some sources of vitamin A, that is milk, fish oil. Some sources of vitamin B, wheat and liver. Vitamin C, sources of vitamin C, orange and tomato. Right? Now, when we talk about overall vitamins, the importance of vitamin, they maintain good health. Minerals are also needed by our body in small quantity. Each one is essential for proper growth of body and to maintain good health. That is, see the diagram. There are also like some sources of iodine. Iodine, ginger, and ginger. That is source of iodine. Some sources of phosphorus, milk and banana. Iron, apple. Some sources of calcium, milk and egg. Beside this, beside this, nutrients, our body needs dietary fibers. It is known as roughage. Roughage is mainly provided by plant protecting our foods. Whole grain and pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits and vegetables are main sources of roughage. Roughage does not provide any nutrients to our body, but it is essential component of our food and adds to its bulk. This helps our body get rid of undigested food. And water. Water is also very important. Why? Why water is very important? Because water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It also helps in throwing out some waste from body as urine and sweat. Normally we get most of water that our body needs from the liquid we drink, such as water, milk and tea. In addition, we add water to most cooked foods also, right? So please learn all these nutrients and their sources. Thank you.